In this video, I'm going to talk about shared subscriptions. Imagine we have an application for a user to be able to purchase movie tickets. The application makes a request through a message broker to a back-end system. There are multiple instances of the back-end system for load balancing and fault tolerance reasons. Each request should therefore only be received by one of those back-end instances. Back-end instances, to achieve this, will have what's called a shared subscription. This allows messages to be load balanced between a group of instances. So here we have shared subscription A being listened to by 3 instances of our purchase service. Any of the requests that come in to purchase movie tickets will be routed to only one of these different instances. What if we would like to have another group of instances connected to our message broker for the purposes of analytics? Our analytics instances would have a separate shared subscription. So on our diagram, they're listening on shared subscription B. We split up these groupings, so now messages are received by both groups, but are only received by one instance within a single group. So a little bit of a visualization of this. We have our request coming in to our message broker, and it's going to go to each of our groups, the purchase service and the analytics group. And again, as you see, is only received by one instance within each of those groups. Now, what does a shared subscription actually look like? There's 2 possible formats depending on if you're using MQTT or the Solace message format. MQTT uses a $sign and Solace uses a hash or pound sign. Everything else is the same for the 2 formats of our shared subscription. So we start off with our symbol or dollar or hash and then lowercase share. Our second group is going to be the group name, and our third level onwards is going to be the actual topic subscription you would normally listen on. So we have examples here using the MQTT format, $_share/service/purchase/tickets. This would map to our purchase service instances, and they would each be listening on the same shared subscription. Our analytics group, those instances would be listening on something such as $share/analytics/purchase/tickets. Now to map this to our diagram, we can see our request to purchase tickets is coming in on the topic purchase/tickets. Our analytics group, our analytics instances are listening on the analytics shared subscription. Notice the second level there as being analytics. And then our purchase service, its second level in the topic subscription is service, to denote that that it is the purchase service. Levels 3, 4, etc. is going to be whatever you're listening on. So we're going to be listening on purchase/tickets to ensure we get the messages from our users, from our client application. One last thing with thinking about shared subscriptions and in general with doing messaging is, of course, security. You want to be able to control who can publish and subscribe to what. Solace has a feature or object called an ACL profile, access control list profile, and these lists control what a user can publish or subscribe to. So this would be applied to both the client application who's making the movie ticket purchase requests, as well as would be applied to anything that's trying to subscribe to that with a normal subscription or a shared subscription. That's all we'll go into detail on ACL profiles in this course. There will be another course to go into to more of the nitty-gritty on ACL profiles. So let's look at a demo using MQTT shared subscriptions. For this demo, I'm going to use an MQTT Eclipse PAHO client for my connections. The connection details are going to be the same across all of my clients. The host being the IP of my message broker, the WebSocket port for my MQTT client, the username they need to log in with, and I have disabled using TLS. So all my clients will have these same credentials other than a different client ID. My message broker, I am using a Solace PubSub Plus instance. And here you can see I have actually already connected 5 MQTT clients over the Eclipse Paho web browser application. Currently, all clients have 0 subscriptions, so we'll be applying those subscriptions as we walk through this demo. So this first client here is going to be our publisher. So it's going to be publishing on the topic purchase/tickets with the quality of service 0. I then have 2 clients connected here, and I have the topic subscription filled out with our shared topic subscription, $share service purchase/tickets for both. So I'll subscribe both of these clients. And we can see at the bottom we're subscribed to the shared subscription. I will scroll up on both to see the last messages that these clients will receive. And let's publish our first message. It's going to be for a Star Wars movie at 6 p.m. on May 4th. So we'll publish that message. And we'll go back to our subscribers. And we've seen that only one of them has received the message. Again, this is because they're sharing the subscription and we are load balancing the messages between the clients. So I can send another one. Let's change the payload. Let's say it's a movie at 7 p.m. on May 6th. And this will be for Mamma Mia. So we'll publish that message. And again, we will check our subscribers and we can see the Mamma Mia purchase ticket has gone to the left client and has not been received by the client on the right-hand side of the screen. So this is our purchase service shared subscription clients. We have 2 instances currently. Let's now add in another 2 clients for our analytics application. So now I have 2 more subscribing clients, and I'm going to subscribe each of them to $share analytics/purchase/tickets. So we'll click subscribe for both of these. Double check that it has been added to our connection. I have not changed our purchase service subscriptions, so they will stay as is. If I open up my publisher again, let's change the payload again. So let's say May 7th at 7 p.m. And let's watch Die Hard in this case. So we'll publish the message again on purchase/tickets. And if I check our subscribers, we can see the bottom 2 in this case have received the message. So May 7th, 7 p.m. Die Hard here, as well as here. We can see here that both the purchase service group on the left and the analytics group on the right both received the Die Hard message. However, only one instance within those groups actually received the message. So let's do one more demo and I will send yet another one. Let's go back to our Star Wars here on May 8th and we'll publish the message. And this time we're seeing it again, the bottom left subscriber for our purchase service and the top right instance for our analytics service. So there's a brief demonstration of shared subscriptions where we have two different groups, and we can see that the instances within a group will load balance the messages. We can also see on our message broker of our clients, the subscribing clients all have one subscription. On Solace, if we go into more details and look at a specific client, and we look at their subscriptions, we can see that it is a shared subscription, and this is the purchase service client. This concludes our overview of shared subscriptions. Thanks for watching.